Hai, Assalamualaikum. Hai, Assalamualaikum to our lecturer,
Miss Nurul Huda binti Muhammad Idris.
And my fellow friend.
Today, my friend and I want to present about any job that have hazard and can cause genetic alteration to body cell of human. For that, my name Siti Nurhaida binti Abdul Wahab.
I, Nurazlin binti Muhammad Rashid.
And I, Intan Syazwani binti Zainab.
We have choose two type of job in our video to show to all of you.
First, as a mechanic.
And second, as a farmer.
Video show the wrong way to welding. The worker didn't wear the proper clothes. She didn't use PPE like she was slipper and not wearing goggle while welding. This video show the right way to welding. We must wear the PPE such as glove, safety boot and goggle. The reason that we have to use the PPE because to protect ourselves from any accident, like the fire spark into the eye.
Okay, this is the second scene. Now the raw method. As you guys can see that the mechanic one is eating while working, but she didn't wash her hand before eating. This can lead to genetic alteration because the hand that she used to eat is oily and dirty.
So hungry.
Now the correct way. As you guys can see that the mechanic too goes to eat while working. Before she eat, she wash her hand first. We can see here that she put the safety first. This is the third scene. This is mechanic 1. She repaired the car with the wrong method. She need to hire an assistant to help her while working so she can avoid the injuries. This situation can be classified as physical hazard. This is mechanic 2. She repaired the car with the correct ways. She hired an assistant to help her while working and at the same time can avoid the
Spana,
injuries.
please.
Size?
17. Thank you.
Okay, this scene show during do the job. The worker mix the chemical substance by hand without using the glove and stick. Okay, in this part, we all see the farmer do her work using the chemical substance without using the safety boot, glove, goggle and mask. She also horseplay during do the work. That action can get the harmful effect to herself. At this part, the worker mix the chemical substance by using the glove and the stick to mix the chemical substance. And at this scene, the farmer using the PPE while do her job. She wear the safety boot, glove, mask and goggle. This PPE can prevent her from get the harmful effect to herself during do the work.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye. Please, Spana, please.
Unbelievable. Nak suruh dia.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Oh, aduh. Okay.